Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be stamping and I'm looking for a snowflake that is a good size. I think I'm going to use this point. And we're going to be using She Modern. Also the opal sheer glitter that she sent over. Okay, and then of course their stamper. I love the stamper. I think the stamper is really good. Okay, so we're going in with the blue pearl stamping sticky polish. And this bottle is a 5 ml. Okay, so let's see if I can get this. You can hear my son is going crazy in the background. Okay. It came out perfect. Oh, I just took off some. I'm gonna take it again, but it came out perfect, I think. And I'm gonna clean this. I'm like, can you guys stay quiet for a few minutes while I do this video? It doesn't take me very long. Of course not. They have to make noise because they're kids. So there it is. And now I'm going to stamp it. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Yeah, I wish I would have got white. I thought I picked white, but I didn't apparently. So that was my idea whenever. So I'm just gonna tap this on the nail. Can't see, right? Look for my brush. What this brush is. Okay, so there it is. And I'm just gonna go like I probably should just blew it off. I think I brushed it too hard. That's okay. Okay, love these bottles because they're not in the container where they accidentally open. What was I gonna do? Oh, I was gonna get some of this clear sealer, but not. I'm gonna use another brush. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here and brush it on. So I'm putting it on there so it doesn't smudge when I go to put the top coat. So I'm gonna wait till it dries and I'll be back. Okay, so I ended up doing all the nails, and I used these two plates. This plate BPL 032, and then this one is Born Pretty Christmas L005, and these are my nails here. So I put the clear sealer, water-based sealer, over the snowflakes after I put the sheer opal glitter from She Modern. But I feel like on some I kind of brushed it too hard, so I think I would recommend just kind of tapping it off. And the base polish I have on is Cinderella. This polish I think is pretty, but it leaves a lot of bald spots. And then of course I stamped with this, so now I'm going to top coat these. Let's bring you in. I don't know if you guys can see from where I see, it looks so dark. So I'm just going to use Quick Dry Pro FX. Hopefully it doesn't smear my nails. Okay. It's blurry. So I'm trying to zoom in without being blurry. There you go. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. In person, to me, oh my gosh, looks gorgeous. And the base underneath. I might have to take a picture outside so you guys can see. I'm sorry, I just burped. You know how sometimes when you burp and it doesn't actually, your mouth is closed? Anyways, that's the kind of burp I just did. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out because I still feel like it's blurry. So none of this is smearing because I put this on with another brush because I didn't want to contaminate that with the glitter. And that opal glitter is gorgeous. I don't know if you could see on the base there's bald spots, but I still think these nails came out gorgeous. So yeah. My nails are still wet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and God bless. And have fun stamping away.
My Kool-Aid.